If you were to imagine a bird, you might picture delicate wings catching the breeze soaring high above the land. But on the wild, windswept coasts of the southern hemisphere, there exists a bird that has traded the sky for the sea. It stands upright, almost formally as if dressed for a grand occasion in a perfectly tailored black and white suit. This is the penguin. A creature of immense character and surprising resilience, it has captured the human imagination like few others. They seem to embody a stoic determination with a unique and often endearing charm. At its core, a penguin is unequivocally a bird. It possesses all the classic hallmarks. Warm-blooded, has feathers, lays eggs, stands on two legs. Yet it has made a spectacular evolutionary trade-off. Over millions of years, its wings, once used for flight, have been sculpted by natural selection into stiff, powerful, paddle-like flippers. The penguin's body is a marvel of hydrodynamic engineering, torpedo-like and streamlined for the ocean. When we picture a penguin, our minds almost invariably drift to a singular, iconic landscape: the stark, icy wilderness of Antarctica. We imagine a world of brilliant white snow and deep blue ice, a vast frozen continent at the bottom of the world. But while this is the quintessential penguin backdrop, it only tells a fraction of their incredible story. In reality, the global distribution of these remarkable birds is far more varied and surprising, showcasing their profound adaptability to a range of climates, from the polar extremes to the equatorial heat. The Antarctic continent and its surrounding sub-Antarctic islands are indeed the heartland for several iconic species. None are more famous than the emperor penguin, a true master of survival. Here, they endure the most extreme cold on Earth, breeding during the brutal Antarctic winter. Nearby, Adelie and chinstrap penguins form colossal, bustling colonies along the Antarctic peninsula. These cities of penguins can number in the hundreds of thousands, a noisy, chaotic spectacle of life. Their entire existence is intricately tied to the seasonal expansion and retreat of the sea ice, which serves as their vital platform for foraging and resting. Venturing away from the ice, South America hosts several species, including the Magellanic penguin. They trade snow for soil, nesting in burrows dug into the temperate shores of Patagonia in Chile and Argentina. Further north, the Humboldt penguin thrives on the arid coasts of Peru and Chile. Their survival is made possible by the cold, nutrient-rich Humboldt Current, which creates a rich marine ecosystem for them to feast upon. Across the Atlantic, the African penguin, once aptly called the jackass penguin for its donkey-like braying, forms lively colonies on the sun-drenched shores and islands of South Africa and Namibia. And in Australia and New Zealand, the world's smallest species appears, the little blue penguin. Also known as the fairy penguin, these tiny birds wait until the safety of dusk to return to their burrows. Perhaps most astonishingly, the Galapagos Islands are home to the Galapagos penguin. Living amongst volcanic rock and marine iguanas, it is the only penguin species found north of the equator, a testament to the incredible reach of the penguin family. The moment a penguin enters the water, it undergoes a profound transformation. The awkwardness seen on land vanishes. Using their powerful flippers in a motion akin to flying, they propel themselves with incredible speed and precision. Their short tail acts as rudders for hairpin turns and sudden changes in direction. The penguin diet is simple but nourishing, composed almost entirely of ocean life. Small Antarctic penguins like the Adelie rely on immense swarms of krill that flourish in cold polar waters. Larger species, emperor penguin, king penguin, dive much deeper, targeting larger fish and squid over 500 meters, more than 1,800 feet, and over 20 minutes breath hold. Those deep dives unlock food other seabirds can't reach. Life for a penguin is a constant negotiation with danger, and threats lurk in both of their worlds. They are also most vulnerable to large marine predators. The leopard seal is a primary adversary. Further afield, orcas also hunt penguins in polar seas and in temperate seas. Sharks in warmer waters pose a significant threat. From the moment they dive in, penguins must be constantly vigilant. The colony often enters the water in large groups. It can confuse a predator. This dash from the shore into the deep is one of the most perilous moments in a penguin's daily life. On land, the nature of the threat changes. Predatory seabirds are relentless opportunists, skuas, giant petrels. Penguins are profoundly social creatures, and their survival is deeply entwined with their life in the colony. This bustling metropolis of birds is a superorganism, where the collective strength of thousands provides safety from predators and a shared defense against the unforgiving elements. Every interaction, from the subtlest gesture to the loudest call, reinforces the bonds that hold this society together. Nowhere is this cooperation more critical than in the brutal Antarctic winter. Emperor penguins huddle together in a slowly rotating mass, a living shield against temperatures that can plummet to 60 degrees below zero. This remarkable, coordinated dance of survival involves sharing body heat and ensuring that each individual gets a turn in the warm, protected center, a testament to their instinct for mutual preservation. Communication is the invisible thread connecting them. Each penguin has a unique voice, a distinct vocal signature that allows mates and chicks to find one another amidst the cacophony of the colony. This individuality is crucial for maintaining family bonds. A key part of their vocabulary is the ecstatic display, where a penguin points its bill to the sky and emits a loud, braying call. This powerful broadcast serves multiple purposes. It is a vital part of the intricate courtship ritual, solidifying a partnership before the demanding task of raising young. But it is also a territorial warning, used to defend a precious nest site from encroaching neighbors. This social structure extends to the next generation. Once the chicks are old enough to regulate their own body temperature, they gather in large groups known as creches. This collective nursery not only provides warmth, but also offers safety in numbers, protecting the vulnerable young while their parents are away at sea, foraging for food. For most penguin species, the breeding season ignites an ancient, powerful urge, a return to a traditional nesting ground. This journey, often spanning hundreds of kilometers across treacherous seas and ice, is a remarkable feat of endurance and navigation. This instinct for fidelity to a specific location, known as philopatry, ensures they reunite in the same bustling colony year after year, a place where generations have been raised. Males typically arrive first, driven to stake their claim. They engage in intense competition, seeking out the best possible spot to attract a mate and build a nest. The nest itself varies greatly between species, a reflection of their diverse environments. The Adelie penguin meticulously gathers stones to build a small mound. The Magellanic penguin excavates protective burrows. And for the emperor, there is no nest at all. The precious egg is held on its feet. Courtship is an elaborate and vital ritual. Through a symphony of unique calls and synchronized displays, penguins form strong, monogamous pair bonds essential for the demanding task ahead. Once paired, the female lays one egg, or sometimes two. The largest species, king and emperor penguins, lay only a single egg. For them, the energy investment is simply too high to raise more than one chick per season. Incubation responsibility is almost always shared, with parents taking turns foraging and guarding. The specific roles and timing vary by species. In a feat of incredible endurance, emperor males incubate the egg alone for 2 months, balancing it on their feet and protecting it from the brutal Antarctic winter with a warm brood pouch. The moment of hatching is a testament to this unwavering parental commitment. But once the chick emerges, the real work intensifies, as the parents must now provide a constant supply of food. It can plunge to depths exceeding 500 meters. The pressure there is more than 40 times that at the surface. They can slow their heart rate to just a few beats per minute. Penguins have a special gland just above their eyes, the supraorbital gland. Once a year, penguins undergo a catastrophic molt. Not all penguins are just black and white. Rare genetic mutations can produce all black or all white Isabellan penguins, ghostly and less camouflaged. Modern penguins descend from an ancient line over 60 million years old. Palaeodiptes klakowski may have stood nearly 2 meters tall and weighed over 115 kilograms. A reminder of the deep evolutionary history of penguins. Penguins are more than just charismatic inhabitants of the southern seas. Population trends, breeding success, physical condition provide scientists with a clear, direct signal about ocean health. When penguin populations struggle, it's often a sign of wider problems. Many penguin species face growing threats, nearly all linked to human activity. The biggest threat: global climate change. Commercial overfishing of krill. Commercial fishing for sardines creates intense competition for food. Oil coats feathers, destroying insulation and waterproofing. Penguins mistake small plastic for food or become entangled in larger debris. Yet there is cause for hope. Protecting penguins helps protect the ocean and ourselves. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning about penguins, give this video a like and subscribe for more wildlife content.